Good afternoon, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with the wrap up on the day. Look, we went into the day and we talked about a narrowing range down in this battle at the 200-day exponential moving average. Well, it resolved to the upside, right? You can see the candle here. We're up about 2.5% right now. We're just making Globex highs yet again, up at 16.5. See if it can print 1675. Probably will. The most telling chart was the hourly chart, right? Compression. Ping pong on either side of the 200-day exponential moving average. Well, compression breeds what? Expansion. Expansion, expansion, expansion. Okay? And what was the area that it had to deal with? Weekly pivot. What did weekly pivot do? It went support. So what did we do? Well, we did a few things. We got long 71.75, rode that for about 8 handles. We got long 75.5, did that for a total of 15, took a 25 handle runner there. When it converted weekly pivot, we went and did another long. And, as we make more highs, there's still people holding that. I punched out. It's about 26 handle day for us. So, we're coming to like 20, 25 handles a day, which is way over what we want to be doing. But it's the volatility of the market. And it's being patient. Compression equals patience. We didn't trade anything in Globex. We waited. We waited for the open. We waited for it to come back into 70. Then we waited for it to come back into 75. Here's a 5-minute chart. Let me back this out. See the blue line? That's the 5-minute midband. And that's the only thing the market gave a flip about today. So 9:30, here's your open. What did we trade down to? 69.75. Fine, buy it. Comes back here. What does it nestle into? 75. Can't get through? Fine, buy it. Off we go. Support. Support. They tried to wash them out here, but here's the thing. At that point, the advanced decline line is sitting at about 450, 460. You can take it anywhere you want to go. It's going to result in new highs. Then back to the 5-minute mid, back to the 5-minute mid. We continue to make Globex highs. So, it's just a good old-fashioned trend up day, a good old-fashioned expansion out of compression as you head into tonight. As you head into tonight, I need people to be focused on any retest of the weekly pivot, any retest of the roundy, and take note if they're even capable of doing it, okay? We are over 100 handles now off of the Bet the House rejection from back on Thursday. So if you're longer term, people are holding that stuff, that's great. And, just compression, expansion, compression, now expansion. Can this thing run more than one day? Absolutely. This one did. Why shouldn't this one? So the bulls have a distinct advantage. Heading into tomorrow, we'll see if they can take advantage of it. Everybody have a great night. I hope you did well today. If you trade this stuff, come see us. That's all I'll say. Come see us. I think you're going to like what you find. Take care. Trade them well. We'll talk in the morning.